guys, no, what's up besties, how are you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. So again, welcome again to another video where I'm going to be taking you guys to the most affordable transportation in Kigali, Rwanda. So yeah, I'm just going to be going with you in the best transportation in Kigali, Rwanda. What and even what I afford. Oh yeah, I could just show you guys how transport this side is so easy, so affordable, so smooth, so everything. So I hope you're going to love this whole video and stay to the end. I'm having something for you, and I hope this video is going to be more like useful for you. Yeah, even us content creators, speaking from my side, of course I need to take a piece, and I do go with the public transports. Okay, so since I'm just going to go with you guys, and I hope you like the video. Comment, share, and subscribe. Commenting my favorite part. I'm excited to show you guys public transportation here in Kigali, Rwanda. Like they're having their private lanes, the what and what. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, let's go. It's very, very beautiful day out here, as you can see. I love me some sunshine. Let's go. So guys, we are going. The sunscreen has been good to me, as you can see.
Even though we come and go, relationships just last so long. It's gotta be a place still play on.
So guys, murashaka amafaranga kuri telefone kugira ngo nsigaze gushaka tap and go. It's so shy. It feels shy kugira ngo camera like it's my work. I have to do work. Ndi kujya muri gare, as you can see.
Not just my mind, it's gotta be out there. I just wanna.
Hamwe naguriye kaka baga dore ni hari agira utubaga twiza. Oh.
I know I should leave. That's a fair place to go. Maybe somewhere I'll be over it, but it ain't here, no it ain't near this place I'm in. Really love to do some traveling, anywhere that ain't inside my head. Even though
So guys, let's keep going. Bisi ya mbere ndimo ameda hano muri bus station. See you then. I decided to move on. I love products.
As I'm all logo, in me hair charcoal, dropping in the bando, narco, smiling by my art, Kodo, Wako, new member to the billionaire group in your Daco, money always on my mind, over the go.
They're having this person's walk, and I've counted like we have to come for 5 minutes. That means if 5 minutes are gone, the beast goes. So why this car? Okay, yeah, so very good. We have to come after 5 minutes. That means yeah. So come on with me guys, let's
Roses are red, violets and dollars are closing, cause all of my rhyming is frozen. All of this time in the moment is timeless. Indica potent, I'm napping. Fold the beat up like a napkin and go and re-up like I'm trapping. Alex so rich, can they cap it? All in my face like they don't know what happened. I give them that euro cause I've been a maverick. It's too hot for that, it's too hot. It's too hot, and I know I ain't got a spot for that. No, no, shit too hot, shit too hot. It's too hot for that, and I know. I kid you not, I kid you. It's too hot for that. From flex, go ahead and make a drop for that. Falling back in where I left off. Move a little weight that I kept off. Took a little cake that I crept off. Took it to the face, it was Kim dog. I never lost, you take L's like a llama. I'm not supporting or acting in dramas. It's about action, reaction, and karma. How do you act when it's folding and on you? Think about it, think about it. Funny thing about the bottom, it's crowded. Funny thing about the top, I found it. Funny thing, I didn't see you niggas run it. Hot shit, only too hot. Reading Machiavelli like I'm Tupac. Screaming thug life like they knew Pac. They get tuned up like a new clock. It's too hot for that. It's too hot. It's too hot. And I know I ain't got a spot for that. No, no. Shit too hot. Shit too hot. It's too hot for that. And I know. I kid you not. I kid you. It's too hot for that. Front flex, go ahead and make a drop for that. It's too hot for that. It's too hot. It's too hot. And I know I ain't got a spot for that. No, no. Shit too hot. Shit too hot. It's too hot for that. And I know. I kid you not. I kid you. It's too hot for that. Front flex, go ahead and make a drop for that.
Good evening guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. So I'm going back to take the public transportation. It has rained and looks very, very, very beautiful, as you can see. So yeah, to those ones who have been wondering where library is, it's this side. Okay, So yeah, let's go. I just took my own ego kumana yanjye shambega abantu bareba turi kugenda ndi gutaha and look at this green. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Yeah, so I think I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys mwaikunze. If you did reach this point, please drop a white heart so that I could know that you reached this far with us. And I just bought Mentos. Jesus, this is very, I love this what? This weather for real. Very nice, right? So I guess I'm going to leave you guys. Njye mutega transport kako zigufasha nyine kutajagarara mu mafaranga yawe, mikoreshereze amafaranga yawe, sibyo? I'm n'icyapa kivuga ngo no bus. This side nta bus zihanyura, zikomeza hari imbere, sibyo? Okay. So I'm ending by here, guys. Hope you loved the vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and
like I don't wanna die. Oh no, you make me feel so alive, so alive. I know you do too.